Hello people and welcome to Caught on DashCam channel. We feature only the best of the best when it comes to all sorts of crazy road encounters. Hopefully you'll enjoy in today's episode as well. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Looks like someone was way too impatient. This driver was going way over the speed limit and he was overtaking multiple vehicles as well. Stay tuned to see what happened to him.
Affordable coverage. Care corporations qualified health plan insurer in Washington Health Benefit Exchange. Insurance. Providing more access to healthcare and nutritious food in communities of color has never been more essential. That's why Bank of America is investing $1 billion to advance. It's just one way my teammates and I are taking action in Seattle right now. Bank of America and a member FDIC equal credit opportunity lender. How's she doing? She's resting in the garage. We're going to car toys.
Therefore, if you would take a second and leave your thoughts now back to the video.
Stealing never pays off, and in this clip you'll see exactly why. Thief tried to steal something and let's just say that it did not go as planned.
Box SMP man, is that good?
No, it's the top 5, not for 10% return every year. Is it? Oh, wow. Shit, wallet.
Wallet you go in.
Let's go, wallet.
It wasn't bad at all, traffic, so we'll just go straight through, right down George Street.
What was the rush?
Watch. Jeez, people.
They can wait.
Yeah.
My bumper's bigger than their bumper.
Yeah.
Icy road conditions are dangerous for all drivers, and if you don't act carefully, you can easily end up crashing. In case you ever wondered how not to drive, feel free to watch this clip here. This driver gave us free demonstration on reckless driving. With this clip we conclude yet another episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you enjoy watching and learning some new things. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.